We are here in Marrakesh at the Ramsar Africa Pre-COP meeting with the MedWet team, and we have had a really useful time making contact with our contracting party members from across North Africa, but also Africa Contracting Party generally. It's been really helpful in looking at the resolutions that are being proposed, but also being able to present MedWet and what we're doing to the wider group, and very helpful also to discuss specific projects and specific developments with some of our partners who are in the room today. I'll just ask Marianne and Giancarlo what they think. So Marianne, what did you take home from this event?
Yeah, thank you, Chris. In fact, it was really, really important to understand from the participants, the contracting parties from the African region, to understand what are the priorities for the next COP. And especially what is coming up is really a focus on governance. And so it will be very helpful for us to prepare the COP. And we had also offer from some representatives to organize some side events with them at the COP.
Great, thank you. And Giancarlo, from your perspective?
We had the inspiring chance to learn from our colleagues from the African edge of the Mediterranean that we are facing common challenges. Governance is an issue. We are working on this thanks to the COP project, and so we have established and strengthened our connection with our partner from Africa. So good basis for setting up our community of practices.
Excellent. Yeah, definitely well worth spending time here and inspiring time, and really has given us lots of food for thought and ideas for how we can work better, particularly in the North Africa region.